It's Friday already, and this is the last math paper that we'll have to do. The rest of the math activities will probably not be activities to do on a piece of paper. They'll be just activities to do. That'll be more fun. So that'll be next week and the following week. But today we are going to start out with dominoes. And I want you to pick a domino like I'm going to pick a domino. And then we are going to make a math problem out of it. So you can write it on your extra piece of paper. This is the one I picked. Do you see it? Let's see how many we have over here. I think we've done that one before. How about if we do this one? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. And I will draw that on mine. Whoa, that is really crooked. Maybe I should try again with that line. And we need a line down the middle, and then 4 dots on that side. There we go. And we'll make that look just like that. Now we have to count them and do our little addition problem. So over here we said there were 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we need a plus sign. And how many over here? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3. And we write the 3 here. And then we have an equal sign. And then you can start with 4, and then you just keep counting. 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 all together. So the number sentence would be 4 plus 3 equals 7. Perfect. Let's see if we can find a different one. I think this one would be good. Okay, this one, I'll draw that one over here. And you should be drawing these on your paper too. And then we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here. And make those dots over here. And then we need the first number, and then the second number equals the last number. So see if you can write this down and do it first, and then I will write mine in. You can pause the video if you need more time, and then you can do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's a 6. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you should have a 10 over here. Did you do that? Did you do it by yourself? I hope so. There we go. So we are set up with that. But now we get to talk about what season it is. What season are we in? Do you remember? Did you say spring? I hope so. And spring is right before what? Summer. You're right. Last weekend, didn't you love how nice and warm it was? It will be nice and warm like that in the summer too. And so in the summer, we do some different things than we can do in the winter. Can we go skiing in the summer? No, because there's no snow. Or building a snowman? No. So you have to think of things you can do in the summer. And so I thought about things that my family likes to do. And I made a graph, a chart out of that. And so some of my family likes to garden. So that's Mr. Epley and my daughter Matea. She likes to garden too. I only put people down for 2 things because otherwise then it would get too crowded. And vacation. Ooh, we all like to go on vacation because I decided I couldn't leave somebody out. So I had to make my graph a little squishy on the end. Then play croquet. We love to play croquet. We played croquet this weekend. So I put Mrs. Epley, Ethan, and Renata. So there are 3 of us here. And the last one, swim. My daughter Carrie likes to swim. So does Matea, but I think she likes to garden a little bit more. So anyway, if you check out my graph, which thing is the thing we like to do the most? If you thought vacation, you are right. We all love to go on vacation. What is second? Play croquet, yes. And third, garden. And last is swim. But your family, or even our class as a whole, might like to swim better. Or maybe you say play outside. Or play in the sprinkler maybe, eat ice cream. There are lots of fun things to do in the summer. So see if you can poll the people in your family and ask everybody what they like to do best during the summer. And then if you want to, you could make a graph just like mine. Now, I want you to look at the worksheet. So you want to find worksheet 135. And on the front, after you write your name, you want to draw a picture of what your family likes to do in the summer. Just like I made a graph, you can draw a picture. So you want to draw a picture of what your family likes to do in the summer. And then you have to write about it down here. It says, this is a picture of our family, and then you have to tell what you're doing. Okay? On the back, only a few numbers are there. You have to write most of the numbers yourself. And you've been practicing for a long time, so you are good at this. So start with 11, and do you know what you end with? What comes after 29? Did you say 30? You were right. So make sure you write the numbers correctly and do them your best. And this is the last math worksheet.